File former President Donald Trump listens as he speaks to reporters on his flight to West Palm Beach, Florida, following a campaign rally at Waco Regional Airport in Waco, Texas. On March 25, 2023, he said Friday, Dec. 22, that he would not immediately address a request from special counsel Jack Smith to decide whether former President Donald Trump can be prosecuted for his actions overturning the 2020 election results. The ruling is a planned win for Trump and his lawyers, who have repeatedly tried to delay criminal charges against him during his campaign to retake the White House in 2024. The ruling prevents a swift decision by the nation's highest court that could have overturned it outright. The immunity claims cast further doubt on the possibility of the landmark trial going ahead as planned on March 4. The issue will now be decided by U.S. Court of Appeals for District of Columbia Circuit, and court has signaled it will move quickly to decide case. Smith had pressed Supreme Court to intervene, arguing that it was in the public interest to resolve case quickly. Smith's request to step forward from appeals court, which he acknowledged was extraordinary, also underlined prosecutors' concerns that fight over issue could delay start of Trump's trial after next year's presidential election. The justices denied Smith's request in a one-sentence decision Friday. As is customary, the court did not make any statement regarding the decision, with justices staying out of the dispute for now. Additional objections are likely to delay case. If the appeals court, which will hear arguments on January 9, rejects Trump's immunity requests, Trump may ask the Supreme Court get involved. That could give justices another opportunity to decide whether they want to weigh in. U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan has already put the case on hold, while Trump maintains his claim that he is immune from the investigation. Chutkan raised possibility of postponing the March hearing if case immediately returns to his court. He has previously rejected arguments from Trump team that a former president cannot be prosecuted for actions that fall within scope of official duties of job. In a statement Friday, Trump insisted again that he is entitled to presidential immunity and said he looked forward to hearing his case in the appeals court. Trump's lawyers plan ask court to overturn a Colorado Supreme Court decision barring him from voting in that state under Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which bans people who swear support Constitution and then engage in insurrection against Trump from being on duty. The court also agreed to hear case on charges of obstructing the official case against Trump and more than 300 of his supporters who stormed Capitol on January 6, 2021. In current immunity case, Smith had tried to persuade justices to bypass appeals court and address issue directly. Trump's lawyers have been signaling for months that they would eventually ask the Supreme